PDF Reader, View Editor, Annotate by Zodo. It's an alternative version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. It can load files faster and also gives you several tools to mark up your document. It has a night mode option and it also helps you to create your own signature. Keep a Password Manager. This is an application that helps you to secure your passwords. It doubles your security and can also protect any sensitive data that you have on your system. And also, it can help you sync data in all your Windows 10 devices. And the data you share in this app is encrypted with AES-256 and PBKD technology. So you can rest assured that no one will be able to access it without your permission. Fused, Double Exposure, Video, and Photo Blender. It's a blending app that helps you create interesting effects for your photos and videos. Ditto Clipboard. It helps you to save images, text, etc. It can be found in the taskbar and all your clipboard items can be found in it. Quick Look. It helps you to preview files by just clicking the spacebar. It's so easy to use and handle that you can watch the preview of all the files without needing to select all of them. It also has a support app called Seer Pro, which will give you more control over this app, but you will have to pay for it though.